This wonderful dish is so easy to make and comes together in no time.
Hi there, welcome back. It's close to dinner time and I have some chicken at home. I was thinking of making Mangalore chicken Sukka. Previously I have shown quite a few Mangalore dishes, so this will add to the collection. So let's get started. Come on.
Now if you want authentic flavor, try to use coconut oil. Let's start with the masala paste. We will lightly fry all the spices until fragrant and they change color slightly. We will fry on low flame so that they don't burn. This is perfect. Keep aside to cool a bit and then we will blend these. Some fresh herbs for a flavorful masala paste. This is tamarind for its nice tang. Preferably red onions if available. Blend this to a smooth paste, adding a little water at a time. I used about 3/4 cup water to get this consistency. Now I am using boneless chicken, but you can use with bones too. We will marinate the chicken with the prepared masala paste, turmeric and salt. Mix well. Transfer this to a pan and add the finely chopped red onions. Now we will cook the chicken completely on low flame. I am not adding any water as this dish is a dry chicken dish. Let me tell you something about this lovely recipe. This recipe originally belongs to my sister Reshma Putran's mother-in-law, Mrs. Sunanda Putran. She was a wonderful person and an amazing cook. Unfortunately, she is not with us anymore, so I would like to dedicate this video to her and pay my tribute and keep her memories, recipe and this rich cuisine alive. All the Mangalore recipe videos that I have shown earlier are her recipes and my sister has graciously let me share all these recipes with you. Here I have fresh grated coconut which I'll dry roast until slightly golden and rough grind them. The detailed recipe with the exact measurements is in the description box, so do check it out. We will add this roughly ground roasted coconut to the cooked chicken and mix. Lightly mix until well incorporated. Mangalore cooking is mostly done with coconut oil, but you can use peanut oil or vegetable oil instead. Let's make the tempering first. Let's make the tempering with finely chopped garlic and onions. We will fry this until golden. I would like to thank everyone for your love and support. Please keep it coming. Thank you. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss all those amazing recipes I will be showing in the future. We will pour the tempering over the cooked chicken and mix. Our Mangalore style chicken Sukka is ready and this is traditionally served with dosa. The curry will thicken up as it cooks. This tempering is just perfect. The aroma is so inviting and heavenly. Please do try this recipe and share it with your family and friends. Enjoy!
If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.